We had an excellent stay at Casa Martini. The room was spacious and clean. Gianluca was an amazing host, warm, welcoming, and attentive. All the staff were friendly and helpful. Great location, near lots of restaurants, groceries, and bakeries. Also, it's only a few minutes walk away from the Vatican City. Casa Martini was perfect for our family visit to Rome. It was spacious, a perfect location, clean, and the staff was extremely helpful and accommodating. We will come back again. We had a fantastic stay at Casa Martini. Host, owner Gianluca was extremely friendly, gracious and helpful. This was our first time in Rome and he gave us a great orientation to the city. The breakfasts were delightful and flavorable. A great start to each day. The room and facilities were very comfortable and clean. The location was perfect. We arrived late at night after a delayed flight and were met straight away by Gianluca, who directed us next door to the bakery to buy something to eat. Coming back, he gave us a bottle of wine and suggested ate our food on the roof, where we had a romantic meal with the cupola of St. Peter's lit up in the distance. The breakfast the next day was fantastic, and Gianluca hand drew 2 routes for us on a map which took us around Rome on foot. This was invaluable and we saw much more of Rome than we expected. Gianluca was brilliant at organizing things for you and advised us on this is a rare find. A B&B with a personal touch that will make you feel you're a special visitor to Rome. The B&B is in an unmarked residential building. You will eat breakfast on the roof in a really inviting place. You will be 5 blocks from the Vatican. The owner Gianluca is almost like a personal guide who will tell you of the special local restaurants, the things, localizzazione we buona per visita Roma camminando. Sus habitaciones son muy comodas, el desayuno muy rico y consideran tus requisitos como ser vegetariana o necesitar comida libre de gluten. Tout est excellent, l'accueil est génial, l'emplacement, la chambre, le petit déjeuner, l'amabilité des propriétaires. Je recommande à 100% et je reviendrai pour sûr.